Time for another unboxing video. Let's cut this box open and see what's inside. This box is packed with lots of goodies for upcoming workshops. I've made sure to stock up on all my chalk paste singles in all of the Christmas colors. We've got black velvet, we've got silver shimmer, we've got candy apple red, all the Christmas colors that we're going to need for our Christmas workshops. And of course, I've got a couple more board erasers. Those are always important. And here we've got our house frames. So many people are going to be using these for their DIY projects in the workshops coming up. And this one is perfect for our advent calendar as well, that some of you have already created. One of the other goodies in this box is our board and base. This is a double-sided chalkboard that you can use horizontally or vertically. It's got a base with a slot in it so that you can stand it up sideways or vertically, and you can chalk your design accordingly on both sides. Here's our new A-frame sign. It's got the two different parts that you can switch out and do actually 4 different designs and switch them out. So you've kind of got 4 in 1 with this frame. Some of you are going to be working with these block sets for an upcoming workshop. It's a set of 3 blocks that stack together, and they're double-sided. So you get to do Christmas on one side, every day on the other. And here's the rest of all my chalk paste singles. I've got that gold shimmer and the meadow green, all the Christmas colors. Okay, transfers are always my favorite part of unpacking a box. Here we've got the tiered tray Christmas designs. We've got some school themed minis. Here's the one that goes with the block set on one side for your Christmas theme. And then we've got this A-sized cute little Christmas transfer as well. And the big one, okay, check this out. These are sassy little Christmas signs too. And definitely gonna have fun chalking with these at an upcoming workshop.